channel, Budget for Success. Woo! Today we've got good vibes only, good vibes only. Come on, baby, come on. We've got good vibes only. We only have good vibes. Yes. Woo! Yes. Woo! Today we are going to work on our chocolate binder. So we're going to make money, save money. Cha-ching! So let's get started. Shaboom! Okay, so we have our chocolate binder. We are almost there. We only have these cards left. And I have shook them up, shook them up, shook them up, shook them up. I have, I don't have them laminated, so they're not easy to shuffle. So I'm shooking them up. I'm shook them up, shook them up. All right, so now we need to know what money we got, Onyx. What money you gonna work with the chocolate box? We got the chocolate box. By the way, there is a whole lot of cash stuffing channels out there doing the chocolate box, and I unfortunately don't have all their names, so I didn't want to start and miss somebody. So we got 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, and 10 and 20. And most of the cash stuffers, they have been working on their chocolate box for a while, and I'm catching up to them. Yes, I am. So this is by my girl, Save with Alicia. Woo! And her Etsy shop where you can buy this is A for Alicia, okay? And so all we do is pick a card and save some money. It's that simple. You can't miss it. All right, so first we are saving for hot chocolate. So we go to our hot chocolate savings challenge and we look for that same symbol, which is $6. Oh, and we are using pencil because I told you I will be reusing this, and I didn't laminate it, so I have to be able to erase it. So we're adding $6 to the hot chocolate. All right, so we have, let's see, what do we have? We have 15, and we don't have change. So 15 plus 6 is 21. Hold on, I need to get some change, y'all. This is not working for me. Hold on. Okay, so we are adding $6 to this. So if we added 5 plus, let's take a, so if we did that, we would have $10, $15, $21. So we can put this all back. I did all this so that I could do this. Yes, I did. Now we have $21 in hot chocolate. Yes. All right, next one, white chocolate. I'm ready for you now, white chocolate. We got this cute chocolate with a strawberry on it for $9. Let's see if we have any ones in here. Yes. So we can put that and grab a 10. So now we have $35 in white chocolate. I wonder how far we can get with our savings challenge today. Let's see. Next one is milkshake, shake, 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 shake. Oh wow, just takes a 20. Just took my whole $20 bill. Milkshake, shake, shake the 20. Sure did. All right, we're just gonna add the money in. I decided I will cut it, count it later, cut it, count it later. All right, we need our dice. So we have our trusty dice to do. And so we're going to roll the dice and see what we roll. We rolled a 5. And so the 5, the square left is $2. $2. And let's see, how much do we have here? So if we add 2 plus 3, we get $5. You know what? Let's do this, y'all. All right, let's see what we have. We can cash condense. We got 50. 5, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 2, 23, 24, 25. All this is 25. Let's do it again. Half one. So that's 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 22, 23, 24, 25. So we can put 25 in here and put all of this back. And now we have change. It's that simple. Yes, we have change. So now we have $75 in our chocolate squares. And we're almost done with chocolate squares. All right, the next savings, chocolate squares again. 6. We saved everything here on 6. So let's roll again. We rolled a 5. We finished 5. So a 3. So $3. Shake, 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 shake. Okay, we're just adding $3. 1, 2, $3. Okay. And moving on with our chocolate challenge, we have an egg hunt time. So this egg with the strawberry is $10. I call these my Cadbury eggs because if you grew up in my time, that was a big deal. Those Cadbury eggs, they were like golden treasures at Easter. Another chocolate square, but we don't want a 6. We don't want a 6. We want a 3. We want a 1 for $5. I think we might finish this today. Yep, we sure might finish it. Okay. I don't need to keep rolling because I gotta shake, 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 shake. We got a milkshake, guys. And it's $4. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Look, we are finished. The milkshake. Woo! So we put $4 in and ring the bell. Yay! You can ring my bell. Ring my bell, my bell. Ring a ring a ring. All right. Chocolate squares again. I don't know why I keep rolling. Oh, well, look, I got a 2 and that's what I needed was a 2. So we add the $1. Now, if we get chocolate squares again, y'all, we just need to add $6 and call it a day because that's the only square that we have remaining and we'll be ringing the bell. So let's see if we get chocolate squares. No, we got pralines. You know, this is in order, but do you think I pay attention? Nope. So $15 for pralines. All right, we're getting to the big money now. Uh-oh, look, we could do this. We can make change. So here we go. We got... And we can make change again. So we have, oh, we're going to add it up later. That's right. But we just made change. That's all we wanted to do. Butter. So we're going to add $2 to butter for taste. Here we go. So butter is $2. Plus I was adding whatever it said here. So that would be $4. Uh-oh, 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 y'all. It's time to ring the bell. We finished it. Yay! The brownie recipe is complete. You can ring my bell. Ring my bell, ring-a-ling-a-ling. Cadbury egg. Uh-oh, I'm up here just jamming, but our money's getting tight, y'all. Money is getting tight. $10 for the Cadbury egg. I'm so excited. I can't wait to add this up when we are done. This is going to be a nice chunk of change. Save 2 bunny lollipops. Oh, save 2. So I think that means they want us to save $8 for the bunny lollipops because it's $4. And so if we save 2, it would be $8. So 5, 7, and 8. $8 for this is a bonus. This is a bonus. You get that if you buy the chocolate box. Woo! We're going to ring the bell again, y'all, because we finished this egg hunt and we saved $42. So now we finished this egg hunt. This was the last egg, $5. Woohoo! Yes! So we are done with that chocolate egg hunt. We will ring the bell. Woo! Yes. All right, now we got chocolate ice cream. This is getting tight. Uh-oh, $10. So we got a $2 bill here. We'll hold on to that. because here's $10 right here for the white chocolate ice cream. Oh, and we finished this one. Yes. Woo. Ooh, 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 ooh. All right. All right. I'm probably going to get that $20 bill right back. Okay, we're taking a chance. We are taking a chance with hot chocolate. Oh, snap. No. No. Y'all, I have messed up. $24. Oh my gosh. I just said I'm going to need that $20 back, but I was going to cash condense. But I need it back because I don't have $24. Yeah. Oh, okay. So this was my mad money. So we got $22, $23, $24 in the hot chocolate. I messed up by taking it another step further. Because I was like, we are just ringing the bell so much that we are jamming. I should have just looked for something. Oh, whatever. Save us a save. So we got $4. Let's see if there's anything in here for $4. There's one for $3. But I don't want to do it that way because then we got one. Dang, we only have 4 left. Oh, I wonder if I could find some more money. 3, 8 is 11. That's 19. Plus 9. So what is that? $28? $28. I'll come back. I don't have that. I don't have it. Oh, and another $6. I just saw that. Okay, so we're gonna save this for later. But look at all the chocolate we have saved. Woo! Yes, we are jamming. And so this $4 is going back somewhere to somewhere because, oh, I didn't find a $4. But I didn't want to do that because I didn't pick it. Yeah, that was the thing. I need to pick the card. Don't cheat. So the $4 will save for something else. And so I will put this money here. I'm thinking I need to bring back $30 plus those ones and we will be straight. Yes, yes, yes. Look how full it is. All right. Yeah, barely closed it. And this is all that I saved. We had chocolate squares. We had chocolate bananas. We had milkshake, shake, chocolate milk. We had love chocolate. Anyway, I'm acting like I finished this savings challenge. I am not done. But come back to my next video because I'm going to finish it. Whatever savings challenge I'm doing next, I'm going to take some money out of that and apply it to the chocolate box, finish it, and then I will cash up the next savings challenge. That's what I'm going to do. Thanks for hanging out with me and saving chocolate. Who said saving money cannot be a lot of fun and have fun with friends because there's other people doing the chocolate box too. So we all get rich at the same time. Whoop, whoop. What a beautiful community we have where we all celebrate each other, saving money and getting rich. I love you guys. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. If you would so kindly, please like, comment, and subscribe to Budget for Success. Bye for now. Love you guys.